Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix SF Rush. First, we need to pinpoint the exact source of any performance slowdowns you might be experiencing. It's crucial to understand how your system resources are currently being utilized. By carefully analyzing these factors, we can then focus on the most impactful areas for immediate improvement, ensuring a smoother and more enjoyable experience. This foundational step is key to effective optimization. Next, let's optimize your system resources. Dedicate at least 75% of your CPU cycles to essential game processes to ensure priority. It's also vital to maintain system memory usage below 80%. This prevents frustrating stuttering and lag. Furthermore, implementing efficient data loading can significantly reduce wait times, potentially by 30%, making your experience much more fluid and responsive during gameplay. Now, let's streamline the game's internal mechanics. You can simplify complex physics calculations by 1/4, which greatly improves efficiency without sacrificing realism. Also, reducing unnecessary background processes by 50% will allow your system to focus more power where it truly matters. Finally, optimizing network code to achieve latency under 20 milliseconds is crucial for a responsive and competitive online experience, making every action count. For advanced fixes and ongoing maintenance, regularly update your graphics drivers and system software to ensure peak performance and compatibility. It's also important to monitor system temperatures, keeping them below 85 degrees Celsius to prevent thermal throttling and hardware damage. And speaking of things that last, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for a link to these amazing socks, as well as other great deals we've found for you. Consistent maintenance ensures your system runs optimally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.